Have you ever downloaded an awesome fire, smoke, light leak, or explosion effect, but it came with a black background? What if I told you that you can remove that black background in less than 30 seconds without using a green screen? In this video, I'll show you how to use Luma Key in Adobe Premiere Pro to make your effects blend perfectly with your footage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more Premiere Pro and video editing tutorials. Today, we're learning one of the easiest effects in Premiere Pro, Luma Key. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove black backgrounds from overlays, like fire effects, cinematic light leaks, particles, and more. Step 1. First, launch Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're not signed in yet, Adobe may ask you to log in with your Adobe account. Simply enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. Once Premiere Pro opens, create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add the effect. Now import your main video and the overlay effect with the black background. Drag both clips onto your timeline. Step 2. Place your main video on video track 1. Then place your overlay effect, such as fire, smoke, sparks, or light leaks, on video track 2 directly above your main footage. At this stage, you'll notice the black background covering your entire video. Don't worry, that's exactly what we're going to remove. Step 3. Now go to the effects panel. In the search box, type Luma Key. You'll see the Luma Key effect appear. Simply drag and drop it onto your overlay clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Scroll down until you find the Luma Key settings. Change the key type to Key Out Darker. Immediately, Premiere Pro will remove the dark areas of the overlay, including the black background. If some black edges remain, adjust the threshold setting. Increase it slowly until the background disappears completely. You can also fine-tune the cutoff setting for cleaner results. Take your time here because every overlay is slightly different. Step 4. Want your effect to look even better? Try changing the scale and position of the overlay. You can also add color correction or blending effects to match your footage. For fire and light effects, increasing brightness slightly can make them look more realistic. Play back the clip and see how smoothly the effect blends into your video. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use Luma Key in Premiere Pro to remove black backgrounds and create professional looking visual effects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.